Merry Christmas! Well, Merry Countdown to Christmas. This is our Jesse James Bead Advent Calendar. Becky and I both got it, and this is the first video that we're doing, so I'm going to introduce you to it a little bit. I know Becky did this last year in conjunction with another one, and she kind of split it out differently because she was opening another Advent. But this time, this is the only Advent that we're doing, and we are opening these starting today with day number 1, means that Becky will post the last video on Christmas Eve, the 24th of December. So when you see this, then you'll see that we've started it. We're just gonna go back and forth and open it. Like, I'm gonna open this and Becky's gonna watch my video and open hers with me. So if you got this and wanna follow along, that's fantastic. I hope that you enjoy that if you're opening it on your own, or if you just wanna watch us open, because who knows what's in all of these bags. They're all labeled with little snowflake labels. I do want to give you a little bit of warning if you haven't pulled yours out of your box yet. They are held on by the ties on the bag, and if that tie has come loose, a few of the tags might come loose. So just remove things carefully, and hopefully you don't have a whole lot that are loose and you're able to match them up with the missing tags. I did pull one out, I'm like, oh, this one doesn't have a tag. Then I found the tag in the box. It's fine. I just had one that was like that. But anyway, we're gonna be opening these up. This is a lot of fun goodies. I have no idea what is gonna be in here. I know from watching Becky's last year that they do some cool stuff. So we're gonna do this. We did talk about possibly doing some of these openings as just a short. This one is definitely gonna be longer because I'm introducing you to it, and I still wanna ooh and ah over what's in the thing. But also, we have discovered that a lot of our viewers watch on their TVs, like almost half of you, or roughly half of you, watch on TVs, and you can't watch shorts on TV. And so rather than do a type of thing that you might miss, we're gonna do videos, but then you might also see some little remixes into shorts. So you can watch it how you want. But they're just gonna be short videos. You guys don't mind a short video. It doesn't have to be a short just because it's short. It can be a video that's short. But anyway, I want to open day number 1. I don't know. I really doubt that all of this is going to fit in one of our little organizers. I have one here at least to start with. I'm probably going to change that as we go. This isn't about organizing those though. It's about, you know, opening things up and sharing the joy and the anticipation for Christmas with all of you. And also with my sister. Like I said, she's gonna watch this video and open hers. And then when she posts day number 2, I'm gonna watch and open mine. So it's just a thing that we're gonna do. It's almost like we get to be together. And I love that. So I'm taking off, this is day 1 in this green suede bag. Oh, this has several items in it. Oh, how cute. Oh, girl. Renee, look. I get to make some beaded pens. Okay, so this is a blank for making a beaded pen. I've never made a beaded pen before. I've seen other people, but this is beautiful and glitzy and sparkly and fun. And I am really excited about that. It has a blank for a pen, and then it also has, looks like a blank for a keychain, so you can put some beads on this stick here and do a keychain. Is this just one keychain, or do we have multiple options here? Yep, it's a keychain, and then it has a little chain and loop so that you can attach it on. How fun, how fun. And then it has all of these fun holiday beads that have holes that are big enough to go on these things. So we've got all of these fun beads. Let's get these out and look at them. So we've got our pen blank, don't want to lose sight of that, and our keychain blank, or backpack charm, or however you want to use that. And then I don't know if these are all going to fit on my little dish. I don't think they will. We're going to do it in bits and pieces. And then I'm losing beads. I always drop beads, my friends. You know what? Forget the dish. We're spilling them out right here. We are spilling them out right here. So I love these red and white checkerboard. Those are super cute and fun. There's some red and white stripes and some green balls. They feel cool too. Oh, and yeah, I mean, look, like peppermint stripe as well as, you know, just sparkle, sparkle. Would this even be Jesse James beads if they didn't give us a big sparkly ball? Would it? I don't know. We got a big sparkly ball and a big sparkly pen. And then we've got these kind of rondelles. So much sparkle in this. Oh, how fun, fun, fun. Okay, and then we've got a couple of these. I may have lost a bead somewhere. I will find it. But we've got these. There's two of most things. That's why I'm thinking, like this one, there's just one of those. But I only found one of these. And this seems like the type of bead that there would be two. I will find it after I move away all of the bags, because I did pile up all the bags to show you, hey, this is the advent calendar. I'm not going to keep them on my desk. But I love this. Look at that shimmer inside there. Get up close. I love the way that that moves in the light. Ah, it's so gorgeous. Of all the greens, this is my favorite green bead out of here. So that's why I'm hoping that there's more than one. Sorry, did not mean to bump that. Okay, and then we have, oh, snowflakes. Okay, I love the snowflakes. I absolutely heart the snowflakes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know what this is. Okay, so I'm getting back to that. But snowflakes, yes. Gingerbread man, yes. Look at this reindeer. Look at this Rudolph. He's got his red nose. That is a Rudolph. We've got a polar bear. And we have, guys, look. At first I was like, why does this just have 3 dots? Because there's a head. Because we can do a snowman, and you can totally bling up and dress up your snowman. Okay, this is a really, really fun celebratory way to start this Advent. So I very much approve. I very, very much approve. I'm definitely going to be looking to see if I have another one of those, because I love that so much. Okay, I do have to get him back and put him in this little baggie, or I will lose even more beads. I won't really lose them. I will find them. I will find them. I think when I was spilling them all out, one bead went rolling. I'm hoping that's what it was. I'm so sorry. Did not mean to bump that again. But anyway, this is really fun. And I get to make a beaded pen. I have been wondering about playing with that. My friend Renee makes beaded pens over on her channel. I'll toss that link in the description, because she does really fun things. And she did a giveaway for her birthday, and I won one of her beaded pens, and I love it. It's beautiful and sparkly and fun and unicorn. So yay, Renee. She's also been doing some live sales of some of her pens and other things she makes over on her channel. So there will be a link there from my friend Renee over at Blessed and Bluetiful. But anyway, I get to make a beaded pen next, and that makes me so happy. That makes me so happy. And gosh, I love the sparkle on this. Okay, another moment for the pen blank. Look at that. And it's not just red sparkles. It's got those little silver sparkles mixed in too that just, oh, this just makes me happy. That makes me happy. Okay, we're going to have a lot of fun with this. I am looking forward to playing and learning how to do this. So thank you, Jesse James Beads, for day 1 of the 2025 Holiday Advent Calendar, because this was a fantastic way to start. This is definitely not fitting in my box, and that's okay. That is okay. I am really excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and just move these other beads off to the side, or the bags off to the side. This one is packaged in, kept everything fluffy. Moving these off to the side so we can look at just the contents of day 1. Also, like I said, this might get remixed into a short, and you know, you gotta have the, oh hey, here's all the thing. Oh no, I have black on my mat. Let me just get that flipped over and zoomed into a normal range now that I'm not showing you everything. Get these guys back out with all the fun beads. Pen blank and keychain blank for doing fun beady things. Beady things are not always jewelry. Yay! I hope you liked this. Be sure to tune in, subscribe so you don't miss the future days. Becky is going to be up next with us for day 2 of our Jessie James Beads Advent Calendar. Thanks, guys. Happy beading, and don't forget to play. Bye.